Here's one more video of my car buzzing. Model X. I don't know what that noise is, and the car is unplugged. Unplugged, everything's off, and the key fob is far away in the living room. And it sounds like it's becoming somewhere between the two front tires.